Congratulations! Your Storage Logic PPE Gear Dryer has arrived. Inspect the shipping container for any obvious damage. Your unit will arrive on a skid and banded. Unbox the parts and lay them out for inspection. Parts will vary based on model type and size. In this assembly video, we will use the PS4 R8 as our example. Please note there will be extra nylon washers and 1/4-inch bolts upon completion of assembly. Step 1. Test your unit. The manifold contains the motor and heating element of your PPE Gear Dryer. It is important to test your unit prior to assembly. Plug in the manifold using the 110-volt cord. Turn the unit on in both the ambient and warmed air modes. It takes approximately 5 minutes for the air to warm when the unit is switched to heat, which is indicated by the red light above the toggle switch. Unplug the unit to begin assembly. Step 2. Tools needed. All bolts are 7/16 sized. We recommend using a standard socket with extension or open-ended wrench for assembly. We do not recommend using cordless drills, air-driven, or other similar power tools. Do not over-tighten any of the bolts. Step 3. Assembly. Turn the manifold unit upside down. You will not harm the unit by doing this. You should see the information about the dryer and also see where the power cord is attached to the unit. All portable units start assembly by attaching the C-channel to the underside of the manifold. The C-channel is attached using 2 1/4-inch bolts without white nylon washers. Note that the C-channel is positioned with the oval opening toward the center of the manifold. This will allow you to attach the stabilizer later in assembly. All bolts can be hand tightened. Do not over tighten these bolts. Step 4. Attach the casters. We recommend placing the locking caster at the long end of the C-channel and the non-locking caster at the rear or short end of the C-channel. Each caster will require 4 1/4-inch bolts with white nylon washers. Once all 4 casters are attached, be sure to hand tighten each bolt. Turn the unit back over to continue assembly. Step 5. Attach the upright stabilizers. Using 2 of the 2-inch by 7/16 bolts with metal fender washer and 2 of the 1/4-inch 7/16 bolts with white nylon washers. Place the upright stabilizer on each C-channel and attach using the 1/4-inch bolts with white nylon washers. Next, attach the 2-inch by 7/16 bolts with metal fender washers and hand tighten all bolts using the socket. Step 6. Attach the left and right cross stabilizers. Be sure to place the proper end of the cross stabilizer on the C-channel. Using the 1/4-inch bolts with white nylon washers, hand tighten. Step 7. Attach the most outside PPE gear risers first. Place 1 gasket over the manifold opening. Stand the riser on the manifold and attach using 1/4-inch by 7/16 bolts with white nylon washers and hand tighten. Do not over tighten these bolts. Repeat this step until all risers are assembled. Step 8. Attach the top bar. Position the top bar and attach using the 1/4-inch by 7/16 bolts with white nylon washers and hand tighten. Do not over tighten these bolts. Congratulations! You've now assembled your PS4 R8 PPE Gear Dryer. Now is the time for you to keep your firefighter safe, healthy, and protected. For more information about our complete line of dryers, contact me, John Kugler at Storage Logic.